Hello, I'm Nigel Yule, Senior Director of Product Marketing for Enterprise Performance Management at Oracle. I'm here at Open World and I'm joined by Sathish from Cognizant Technology. Hi Sathish.
Hi Nigel, how are you doing?
I'm doing very well, and you've been talking about the work you're currently doing implementing Oracle Hyperion Financial Management. And what was sort of interesting was the work you're doing in terms of process and what you're replacing in terms of process. So maybe you share some of that with us?
Sure. We had three great drivers based on which we consider as critical for doing this implementation. One is we currently have a single ERP.
Right.
And in a single ERP, when we grow in multiple facets of business, we are constrained today to have all of them into a single business process,
right,
which is actually killing. So to enable the business to go and have separate general ledgers
yep,
for each of those businesses, it's better that we have a reporting layer set up on the top,
right,
which can take data from these multiple setups and then start going about with the reporting. Second is, when we also acquire new companies, we understand that they have a completely different business model, and if you have to make the best use of the revenue and the growth which comes along with that, the best is to allow them in their own space and synergize that into our business operations.
Right.
So that's a second constraint on saying why we shouldn't be forcing them to come into a single business process. So that's the second reason. And third, today the more important reason is we have a disjointed process where we do a lot of things in a single ERP, and then at the end of it there is a manual piece where we have to consolidate those results. So this system gives us the flexibility that we can do an end-to-end automation, except of course the review which will happen manually by people.
Right, okay.
We'll be able to get an end-to-end process where through web forms people can input the data. You are able to do all the handoffs between one process to other, documented with reasons explained, signed off by people. So it's a completely auditable system which will come into play, and for critical financial results which gets published through the system, that's is
very
a key.
important. Yeah, so really two things: governance around the process, ensuring that that's right, but also that flexibility that mergers and acquisitions, whatever you do, you're not going to constrain the business through force-fitting everything into a single general ledger.
Right. And that is kind of a big time issue, because what happens is you lose the synergy of the business.
Right.
In doing so, and people more kind of start focusing on how to administratively fit our process into the new system rather than looking at how to enhance the business.
Absolutely.
So, wrong way to go.
Absolutely. Well, Sathish, thank you very much for spending some time today here at Open World talking to us.
Nice talking to you. Thank you.
Thank you.